So in our previous videos, we covered some stuff, basic stuff, how to log in, what's Canva, plus and minuses, and now we're gonna cover some basics. So when you log into your account, you can have either pro version or free version. So let's go to the projects. Yes, you have your own projects. When you log in, it's going to be empty, so don't worry. You can use templates. You press templates, and you can browse everything from business, videos, marketing, card invitations, print documents, social media, education. So you can choose from really a lot of variety of videos, uh, some Facebook posts, websites, whatever you need to make. So let's begin. Let's use some YouTube thumbnails. So basically in the top, you type YouTube thumbnail and you're gonna have action like to create it. So beautiful YouTube thumbnails. Okay, let's press it. And we have some basic stock image. How you can see here it says pro, so if it says pro you can use only if you have pro version. It's cost really not much. You can buy it and save a lot of time not buying other programs, just using Canva. So you can use either free versions and you can use a lot of variety of thumbnails, templates, and stuff like that. Okay, let's see. If we go here and we press OK, let's select free version because some guys you just want to try out. So let's select free version. As you can see, you have some examples here. If you press here, you have some examples what you can use. Okay, let's go to passive wealth. I like this one. And if you want to start customizing it by yourself for your product or for your YouTube channel, you just go customize this template. Okay, so now what you want to do, you see here bar and you see elements. If you press elements, you can search for any element you like. So you can have frames, grids, even mockups. So, okay, for example, I want to put this guy in mockup. So let's see. Okay, let's select the phone. We press it, you press on the picture and you drag it to the mockup. And as you can see, the guy is in the phone. You can even expand it, lower it, whatever you like. If you double press it, you can arrange it a little bit. You can expand the guy, hide the money. So like this, and you apply changes. And as you can see, you see the guy straight in the window. You can do with all kind of photos like this. So okay, this is mockups. So okay, let's start. Okay, we're doing for toolbox tutorials. Okay, as you can see, you can even expand the text, and later on if it's too big, you press it on the side and you lower it. So how to be awesome on Canva. As you can see, the text doesn't fit, so I expand it a little bit and I lower it. And you try to fit in. So if you want to like arrange everything straight, you can hold shift, select everything, and you press tidy up, and tidy up, space evenly, tidy up, and it's straight. So okay, let's change the font. I don't like this one. Let's use new. Yeah, we can use this one. Just expand the text a little bit. Okay, so that's the basic stuff. What you want to do, you can move all the objects. If you don't see something, or you want to see all the layers, what's on inside the thumbnail or picture, you just go to the top, you press position, and as you can see, uh, layers, and you see all the objects inside the picture. You can even press here and straight away change the color of the background. Okay, let's use basic Canva. No, yeah, that looks better. Nice. You can go again to positions, press this one. Let's change this color to this one. No, this one. Yes. All right. And you can even position, range. No, this. And we want to match it a little bit. So we just flip this one to see it more interesting. Okay. Let's change this color to red. And as you can see, we changed some stuff. We did basic like editing. You can always use elements and you can search for any photo you like. Okay, let's, for example, look for toolbox. All right, and just press photos or graphics. You can have already cut some images, everything you like. So as you can see here says pro, so only pro users can use it like later on to export it. And if it's free version, it doesn't show anything and you can always use it. So okay, let's see some photos which we want to use it. Okay, so let's do maybe okay. Oh, we can use this one. You press the picture, and if you don't like the background, you can always remove the background. So, as you can see, we have only the guy carrying it. We can remove those hands. We can put the guy here. And you can see toolbox tutorials. The guy is bringing some tools for you to use. You can use even videos, shapes, audio, frames, mockups, charts, everything you like. So basically, if you search for something like, okay, animals, as you can see, we have a lot of animals, and you press graphics, you have some pictures, some photos, some already cut up stuff, and you can use those. Also, you have photos. So what we want to do? Okay, let's pick some animals which we like. Okay, let's add some butterflies. Something different. Let's lower them. Okay, like this. And we're gonna put some butterflies. You can even edit it, and you can make like almost 3D. So you press shadows, and you go here. As you can see, it's already have shadow. We can expand it so you see it more. So let's expand it a little bit. As you can see, the butterfly have shadows. So yeah, let's do it like this. Lower it a little bit. Again, you press on this one, like this. And if you like to you arrange your page and you have something in the background which you want to move it, and it's easy really to do. You just cover everything here and you just press group. So now this one is everything in the same place. So you just press it and you move everything all together. If you're gonna go back, like you did something and you don't want to go to the top and press undo, you just press Ctrl Z and go back to the same position or ungroups the, as you can see, is again everything single. So yeah, this is basics for the Canva. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make some videos and some stuff. So if you like my content, please subscribe and see you in the next window.